Hello. So today welcome to MBA formatting system. So today I'm going to learn how to format a document with ABA style. So let's check my sample document. For instance, we have the title History of Steel. In my title, I have indicated the different basic features. For instance, let's go and start from the top. So having written your document, before you write a document, let's check how to write your paper. So your paper, it has a title. So below the title you introduce your topic, your title. What is it? What does it entail? The first paragraph should include what it entails in this article. So for this case, steel is a combination of carbon and iron alongside other elements, in which iron is the main component. And you continue with the paragraph. This introduces the intended person who is being targeted to read the article, so that by reading the first paragraph, he will identify, or he will be able to see and check that the first paragraph has indicated all the information that is inside the whole document. So after introducing a document, so you just come, because it's the history of steel, so you just start with the history from the beginning. Production of iron, because we have said steel is a combination of iron and other components, so we not just talk about the steel. You just come and start with the iron, the key element, then introduce, continue. So you write your history, and don't forget to mention different sources inside your history or your article, because you have to, for instance, here Jonathan Schiffman, Jonathan Schiffman 2018 narrated that Benjamin Huntsman in 1751 established a steelwork at Sheffield in Clan, whereby steel was made by melting blister steel in clay crucible and temperature range of 15 degrees Celsius, 1500 degrees Celsius to 1600 degrees centigrade or Celsius, fueled by coke in the process known as crucible process. So this one, you have written your article and also introducing citing different writers and different sources in your article. That makes your article more presentable and more appealing, and also it makes a lot of sense because it shows that it's not your words. So after you have written your article, for instance, so you go then you conclude. Conclusion entails the different aspects contained in the article. For instance, here from our conclusion here is steel making is a continuous process because there is need to refine an optimum condition possible to adapt to different changing environmental conditions, and also the need to subject to heavy loads and stresses. So it summarizes all the contents and provides a future, or predicts the future of that article, of that topic of the article. So after you've written your article with a specific topic given, let's now come and start with the title. This now the formatting with an APA system. So your title should include, the title page should include the title. We have the name of the student, or your name. You have the course, the lecturer, and the date, as well as you can include the institution's name, or we call, so all these ones are called the institutional affiliations. So we have the name, your name, course, so, and include your school. Okay, next we go. So in the title page, before we continue, the title page, you have to introduce what we call paging. So we double click here. So when you double click here, you find the header. So the header, you write the title page, you paginate or write the page number, and the page number should be on the upper right hand. So what are you going to do here? So you just select and press Ctrl R. Just selects itself, aligns itself in the upper hand of the right hand. So next, if you want to move out from the header, you just click here from the header, and it just moves itself. So the title page, so what you have to need to do is, first of all, need to center align. So, and to center align, just click, to center align, just click, select the whole document, then Control E. Sorry. So just Control Z first. So you Control E. That center aligns the topic. And so now in the about the title, just should be bolded and other. So this history of steel, you write your name, course, lecturer, and date. So next you go, move down here, having written your title. So okay, sorry, so you have realized that yeah, we have the first page, and the other one we have the first page. So you have page one, which is not correct. So what you are going to do here is just select, just Control A, just select everything, then you go here, insert, go to home, then insert page number, you have page number, so you go to page number. So you have the top of the page, then you just go to the option number 3, just selects automatically. So just click on header, and it is done. So let's go back to, so you've seen this page 1. Let's check if it is now correct. So it's page 2, so it's okay. So when you go, we have finished with the title page. Let's go to the introduction part. So introduction part, you just introduce by center aligning your title, then you bold it, just bold it, then you start with your sentence. You start your sentence just immediately after your title. So you just only click once, go down here. After that, you type your first paragraph. The next paragraph will be, you just click into the next. So there is this issue which might arise. For instance, when you type here. So according, continue, type just left line. So assuming the whole of this one, this statement, which is about 40 words. So Jonathan Skiffman, this is the citation now, 2018, narrated that Benjamin Hartman in and it was established a steelwork at Sheffield, England, whereby steel was made and melting. So if you quote this Jonathan Skiffman, these are the words of Jonathan Skiffman. So you need not to write in quotation marks. So you just write in a story form or in an article form or a paragraph form. But these are the words of Jonathan Skiffman. So what you have to do is just select because it's up for the words. Then increase intent. So you increase the intent of this one, this paragraph. So just go here, move here, increase intent. So you see, these are the words of Jonathan. She's just a sample. So after writing your article here, after citation, so you've seen how you cite the various. So according, you can use also the parenthesis method and write. Maybe you can quote someone. So next point is after you have cited different sources. So let's find you have left aligned your documents, your document and paragraphs. So you just move to the last page, which is reference. Reference point, you just write, you just start with the author, full stop, just J.C. Carr, Walter Taplin, comma, Anthony Edgar, comma, and so you can start with the author, then the name of the title of the book or the article of the source, and the place or the university or the company of that where that information is available. For instance, American Times, New York Times, we have the university, Harvard University Press, and so forth. Then don't forget to insert the link which you can easily access in the browser or where you can quickly search. So just write the author, the title, then the source where you can quickly access. So just list your references. Then for this case, the reference should be bolded and center aligned. Okay, so is now the formatted APA system. So if you have any question, please write on our comments on the comment section, and please kindly like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe for more information. So our next topic will be the MLA formatting system. So please don't miss out. Thank you.